Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of culinary convenience with our top 5 kitchen accessories of 2024. These innovative tools are revolutionizing cooking, making it more efficient and enjoyable. From time-saving gadgets to eco-friendly innovations, we've got it all covered. But here's the catch: one of these accessories has a feature so unique, it's going to blow your mind. Can you guess which one it is? Stay tuned till the end to find out. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. Number 4. Number 3. Number 2. Number 1.